VPS server option under KVN Cloud. Visit our website kvncloud.com. Sign up for free. Click the login button. Then, enter your username and password. Click sign in button. Click VPS. Under one account we can buy any number of VPS. And for each VPS, individual public IP will be assigned automatically. The following options are available under KVN Cloud web portal. Number 1. Access. Safe and secure console connection for your VPS. You can securely connect through SSH login also. Forget your root password. Not an issue. Reset anytime by clicking Reset Root Password option. Number 2. Power options to turn off to force shutdown and to restart your virtual machine. Number 3. Scale your storage space anytime at low cost. After purchase, kindly mount the storage. Number 4. Backup plans. Backup your VPS by choosing daily or weekly or monthly plans. Restore your data with one click. Number 5. Snapshots. Useful for developers who can take live snapshots with these options. Number 6. History. Console login logs are available. Number 7. Destroy option to destroy your VPS if not required. Think twice before you destroy. Rebuild your VPS within few minutes. 4 OS available for rebuild. 1 CentOS. 2 Debian OS. 3 Ubuntu OS. 4 Fedora OS. Number 8. Resize. Upgrade your VPS for better efficiency by just purchasing the plans. Number 9. Tag your VPS for easy understanding. VPS name, configuration, OS install, status of VPS always visible on top of the screen. Managed services such as load balancing, high availability, co-location, business continuity have been successfully implemented by KVN Cloud. KVN Cloud is completely compatible in mobile also. All these options can be accessed through mobile also. For more information visit kvncloud.com. Contact us 87540111727 or mail us via sales@kvncloud.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. For personal queries message Annamlai Valiappan via LinkedIn. Thank you.